Hey, aloha guys, Eric West here, HawaiiRealEstate.org. If you're new to the channel, I'm all about teaching you everything there is to know about Hawaii and its real estate, but sometimes you just can't find it in the listing. And today, I'm here to share with you a beautiful, beautiful new listing just hit the market with Keller Williams, 3804 Lower Honopi'ilani Road. And for those of you that don't know, we just like to say the lower road because no one can really say Honopi'ilani. I mean, that's just too hard, so call it the lower road. But this is a brand new offering. It's probably going to sell in a few hours, would be my guess, but it's not on an acre. So one of the things I want to explain to you is that what you're seeing here is this whole little neighborhood is an acre, right? But the homes themselves have been CPR'd, which stands for Condominium Partial Regime, which means you get a deeded 5,000 odd square foot lot right here, which is yours, but the TMK or the legal description still reads like it originally did, except now you've got an A lot, a B lot, and a C lot. So I just want to explain that to you. It's a little bit confusing, and sometimes on Redfin and Zillow and all these websites, it doesn't come through accurately. It shows it as an acre when that's not true. It's actually a CPR that's, you know, whatever size this particular lot has been assigned, which is around 5,000 square feet. But the offering basically is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just over 1,000 square foot home, all brand new, and one of the most awesome Gucci'd out home finishes I've seen in a while, and it seems to have all the things that people are looking for these days. It has the nice black accent, obviously everything freshly painted, have a little muted gray on the walls with a white accent. You've got nice split AC in every single room, these beautiful ceiling fans that are nice and modern and perfectly fit. This is obviously the front bedroom on the right, on the mountainside, the Mauka side. Has a nice little closet. And then another bedroom when you first walk in on the left, about the same size as the one that we just looked at. Again, same kind of ceiling fan. And this closet seems to be just a little bit on the larger side. And this window looks out into the front yard as well. But let's get to the really, really nice part of the house, which is, of course, the kitchen. We'll get to that bathroom here in just a moment, but look at this beautiful kitchen. Did such a nice job. Nice oversized sink with a garbage disposal. The stainless steel appliances are sort of a muted gray. You've got a nice stackable washer and dryer right here, brand new, full size little pantry across from it. Beautiful high-end refrigerator, GE electric, cooktop and oven. Again, everything's super nice. You can see the closets, the drawers are soft close. Nice little outdoor lanai area covered. Indoor-outdoor living. You actually have a nice little small peekaboo view of the ocean right there. And the master bedroom has its own lock-off. How nice is that? So if you wanted to, you could maybe rent that out, probably for a couple $1,000 a month in this market. But look at this nice size yard. Isn't that cool? It's already been professionally landscaped, irrigated. You've got these palm fronds that are going to come up and create lots of privacy from the neighbors. Just a really, really nice outdoor space. And Honokauai is known for its perfect weather, nice sea breezes. You're just a block from the ocean. Well, before we go to the master bedroom, I want to show you the bathroom that services the 2 bedrooms. Again, nice full bath enclosure with large gray muted subway tile, floating cabinets, again with the same black accented faucet, nice Kohler commode. Beautiful modern sort of small recessed lighting up in the ceiling. And then here's your master. Also, split AC when you first walk in. Here's that lock-off door that I mentioned. Same ceiling fan as the other 2 rooms. And this one does have its own ensuite bathroom. Same floating cabinet. Very nice glass shower enclosure with subway tile. And then a nice walk-in closet right here. Pretty sweet, huh? So again, this just hit the market this morning. One of my goals is to watch the market very carefully. So if you're in the market to buy a home like this or a condo, One of the things I love to do for my clients is set you up on a search, so the moment something hits the market, I can go out and I can shoot a video just like this for you, send it to your iPhone or your Android, short 60-second clips that you can watch and digest, get a feel for what the property looks like. And then I encourage you to make that offer as quickly as you possibly can, because the market's moving that quick. So it's just, you got to jump on it. Once you're in control and you're the one under contract, then that's a good place to be, because you can always get out of the contract. But in this market, it's very, very important to act quickly and jump on these opportunities, because chances are you're gonna have equity within, a few days after closing, because the market is rising very quickly. And certainly special offerings like this don't come on the market very often. Now this neighboring property right here, this will be rehabbed. It's already spoken for, but that will look all brand new. And then there could be possibly one more lot that is going to be have a home built on it sometime in the future. So anyway, if you're interested, hit me in the comments, or you can reach out to me directly at 808-298-2030, and I'd love to help any way that I can. Thanks so much for tuning in. Until next time, aloha. Eric West out.